Let's talk about electrician pay in East Timor. On average, electrician in East Timor earns around $1,150 a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, that drops to $1,040, which leaves you with roughly $87 each month as take-home pay. While those average electrician wages apply nationwide, living in a major city brings higher pay, so working in Dili brings home about $1,230 after tax. That extra electrician income helps in the capital, but living costs there are higher, so the advantage usually evens out. Entry-level pay sits well below this level, but you will see pay go up quickly during your first few years. That growth soon slows down unless you take on more responsibility, which is why many workers choose to earn a university degree. Having a degree separates higher earners from the rest because it opens doors to top roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning special skills within your electrician work can help you earn even more over time. Now you know how much does electrician make in East Timor.